Alright, I haven't made a video for a little while. Hasn't been much going on, but today, as you can see, we have quite a bit of snow that we just got hit with in New England. Winter Wonderland, so we are going to go sledding, and I'm going to take you along on the journey. Alright, here's our first sledding in how many years? Probably since before the pandemic, right? I don't think we've sledded for like 5 years, but this is our place, Elm Bank Reservation. This is the best place anywhere close. You'll see why. You gotta walk across this big field first, but you'll see why this is so awesome. It's got different levels depending on what you want to do, all the way up to like an advanced area. They have jumps, you name it. We've been coming here for 10 years, so come along for the journey and grab a sled and come out here. Okay, lo and behold, this is how we get in. Super secure place. Let's go sledding. I mean, this really is a winter wonderland. Oh, by the way, it's, I think, 18 degrees out. Fortunately, that's without wind chill. I can feel hypothermia in my ungloved hand right now. It's a good time to have gloves that work for your... Here we go. Here's the hill. This is pretty good, right? This is like a blue diamond, I mean a blue trail. Alright, here goes our first. Here goes our first run. Oh, thank you. Here we go. Let's go out here anyway. I am awesome. Alright. Serious speed there. This is the worst part. Is trying to get back up the hill. It is super slippery. Yeah, I'm finding it very hard to walk up this hill. Alright, I think I made it. Holy crap. Alright, let's go down. There it goes. We're gonna go right past Gabby. Glove on. Woohoo! Why do I keep spinning around? Gotta say, some good old-fashioned fun there. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Whoa! Let me get you inside. Oh boy. Oh my God, we cheated. Woo-hoo. You cheated! You cheated though. Yeah, you did. You went before me. You cheated. I'll count 3. 1, 2, 3. See, she's cheating. Oh, he's gonna hit the bump. Man, Gabby's got the skills. Am I clear? Alright, I'm going backwards on my back. Whoa! This could be bad! Woo! I think I hit a bump. Alright, just for proof. Look at that. Look at that. Did she go all the way that? Alright, for my last feet, I was gonna actually go down on my feet, but I realized that I'd rather not have a broken back, so I'm gonna go down on my knees. Here we go. You ready? Actually, let me do it forward. I don't know. Alright, here we go. Ready? Oh no, I'm sideways. Woo! That was boring. Alright, the manly part of me took me over, and I gotta go down on my feet. So here we go. Ready? Uh-oh, not starting good. Oh. Coming back through the entrance, this is where they scan your QR code to get in. So make sure you go online first and make your entry fee so they can scan you through right here. Whoops! Good thing it's not right after Thanksgiving. I'd fit through there. Alright. Sledding in New England. That's it. Super fun. And we'll see you in the next one, which won't be too long. Happy New Year. Grab yourself a sled, find a hill, and make it happen.